Good day, everyone. We were talking about climate change. Climate change is having serious impacts in the Philippines, such as increased frequency and severity of natural disasters, sea level rise, extreme rainfall, resource shortages, and environmental degradation. All of these impacts together have greatly affected the Philippines' agriculture, water infrastructure, human health, and coastal ecosystem, and they are projected to continue having devastating damages to the economy and society of the Philippines. Climate change is a long term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. These changes have a broad range of observed effects that are synonymous with the term. A gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants, is, is the effect of global warming. 50% of its 111 million population living in urban areas and many cities in coastal areas, the Philippines is vulnerable to sea level rise. These are the causes of the climate change are manufacturing goods. Manufacturing and industry produce emissions mostly from burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement iron, steel, electronics, plastics, clothes, and other goods. Generating power, the use of fossil fuels to generate power and heat contributes significantly to global emissions. The majority of electricity is still generated by burning coal, oil, or gas, which emits carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, two potent greenhouse gases that blanket the earth and trap the sun's heat. Next is power building. Growing energy demand for heating and cooling with rising air condition, ownership as well as increased electricity consumption for lighting, appliances, and connected devices has contributed to a rise in energy-related carbon dioxide emissions from building in recent years. Next is deforestation to create farm or pastures or for other reasons cause emissions since trees, when they are cut, release the carbon they have been storing. Deforestation or forest clearance is the removal and destruction of the forest or stand of trees from land that is then converted to non-forest use. Lastly is using transportation. Most cars, trucks, ships, and planes run on fossil fuels that makes transportation a major contributor of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide emissions. Road vehicles account for the largest part due to the combustion of petroleum-based products like gasoline in internal combustion engines, but emissions from ships and planes continue to grow. Next is the effects of these causes are hotter temperature. Higher temperature increase heat-related illnesses, and make working outdoors more difficult. Wildfires start more easily and spread more rapidly when conditions are hotter. Temperatures in the Arctic have warmed at least twice as fast as the global average. Next is typhoon. As temperature rise, more moisture evaporates, which exacerbates extreme rainfall and flooding, causing more destructive storms. The frequency and extent of tropical storm is also affected by the warming oceans. Cyclones, hurricanes, and typhoons feed on warm waters at the ocean surface. Such storms often destroy homes and communities, causing deaths and huge economic loss. Many cities and towns experience widespread destruction with as much as 90% of housing destroyed in some areas. It is estimated that over 16 million people were affected, 4 million displaced, and more than 6,000 deaths in 41 provinces across 9 regions. Next is drought. Climate change is changing water availability, making it scarcer in more regions. Global warming exacerbates water shortages in already water stressed regions and is leading to an increased risk of agricultural droughts, affecting crops and ecological droughts, increasing the vulnerability of ecosystems. The Philippines is bracing itself for an extended El Nino with drought like to hit nearly 80% of its province. Next is next is more health risk. Climate change is the single biggest health threat facing humanity. Climate impacts are already harming health through air pollution. Disease, extreme weather events, forced displacement, pressures on mental health, and increased hunger and poor nutrition in places where people cannot grow or find sufficient funds. Next is poverty and displacement. Climate change increases the factors that put and keep people in poverty. Floods may sweep away urban slums, destroying homes and livelihoods. Heat can make it difficult to work in outdoor jobs. Next is a warming rising ocean. The ocean soaks up most of the heat from global warming. The rate at which the ocean is warming strongly increased over the past 2 decades across all depths of the ocean. As the ocean warms, its volumes increases since water expands as it gets warmer. The solution for these causes and effects are renewable energy. Solar panels can contribute to a more sustainable and resilient energy system, helping to mitigate the impacts of climate change and safeguarding the health and well-being of both current and future generations. Lastly is the stop deforestation. Trees are crucial for reducing climate change, preserving wildlife, and supporting over 8 billion people. However, deforestation continues prioritizing short-term benefits over long-term benefits. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases, accelerating global warming and climate change. Thank you.